everyone. I'm Natasha, your teacher for today's show on stuff. And guess what? I now have a candy shop. This is my candy shop, okay? So welcome to my shop. I hope you buy a lot of things, okay? All right, now the first thing that's important on today's show is to realize that there are many different words to describe candy, okay? Now, candy is American, okay? Candy. Now, in Australia, where I'm from, I say lollies, okay? Lollies, chuches, lollies, okay? Just like the name in Spanish, lolly, well, in the plural, lollies, okay? And the other word is sweets, okay? Which is British English. So remember, there are three words. Candy in American English, lollies in Australian English, and sweets in British English. Now, do you know how to say in English to be goloso? How do you say this? Ser goloso. How do you say this? Do you know? Very good. To have a sweet tooth. Tener un diente dulce. To have a sweet tooth. Okay, so now that you know how to say this, we're going to talk about all the different vocabulary so that way you can buy as many things as possible because this is my shop and I have to make a living. Tengo que ganarme la vida, okay? All right, let's start with the first thing. Okay, here, over here. I'm going to put this here. This, do you know what this is? This is a candy bar, and it's made of chocolate, okay? Doesn't it look delicious? It's made of chocolate. Now, chocolate can be dark chocolate, it can be white chocolate, or it can be milk chocolate. In this case, this is milk chocolate, yeah? And in the middle, there's probably caramel or something, caramel, yeah? There could also be a biscuit in there, there could also be nuts, many different things, right? Okay, now the other thing I have in here, what's this? Do you know how to say this? In Spanish, of course, okay? Es una nube, okay? But in English, we say marshmallow, marshmallow. Be careful with the pronunciation, okay? Marshmallow, and the accent goes at the beginning. Now, you can have marshmallows in many different ways, but the most common ways are to toast them, okay? When you go camping, you can toast them, or you can freeze them, congelarlos. You can freeze them. So either toast them on a fire or freeze them in your freezer, yeah? And what's the texture like? What's this? Do you know how we say this? Esponjoso? How do we say this? We say squishy. We say squishy, okay? Can you repeat at home? Very good pronunciation. I love your pronunciation. Never as squishy, but always squishy. Very good. Okay, let's see what else we have here, okay? In this other bucket, we have, let me see what we have here. We have lollipops. Lollipops, okay? Now, lollipops can be small, like these ones, or they can be very big. Have you ever seen those big lollipops? Okay, so lollipops can be different colors, yeah? And depending on how big they are, they can have different layers of flavor, okay? They can be orange and then strawberry and so on. Now, what do these lollipops have here? What's this called? Do you know? Okay, very good. It's called a wrapper. A wrapper. Lo mismo que rapero, puede ser lo mismo. Esto es wrapper, only that with a W at the beginning. A wrapper, okay? And it's a lollipop, okay? Now, what do you do with the lollipop? What am I doing now? Do you know? I'm holding it. So be careful, this is an irregular verb. You hold the lollipop every day, but yesterday I held the lollipop, and lately I've held the lollipop, okay? So remember that. Okay, let's see what else we have here, okay? Because we have many different things, okay? Here, I wonder if you know what this is. Una gominola, okay? It's like a gominola. How do you say this? Do you know? Very good. It's called a gummy. A gummy. Now, usually, gummies are in the shape of a bear, but this one is in the shape of a heart, yeah? Not only that, but gummies are usually transparent, okay? Be careful with the pronunciation de transparente, okay? It's transparent, como si fuera padres, pues transparent, como si fuera con una E realmente, okay? Transparent, and it's soft, yeah? Here we have another gummy, but this one is a scary gummy, okay? It's like a skull, como una calavera un poco, right? It's like a skull. Okay, it's scary, but very yummy. Yummy es rico, yummy, okay? Okay, let's see what else we have here, okay? We have chewing gum. We have chewing gum. Do you know how else we call chewing gum, especially in Australia? We just call them chewies. Chewies, we make it shorter. Chewies, okay? Now, chewies, what do you do with chewing gum? You chew chewing gum. And how about if I want to, what can I do with a chewing gum if I blow? Very good. I can blow a bubble. Very good. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Do you know what this is here? We have a lot of this here, actually. What's this? Do you know? Very good. Licorice. Licorice. Be very, very careful with the pronunciation, okay? Es como si tuviese una SH al final. Licorice, okay? Now, the licorice can come in wheels, como esto, in wheels, como en ruedas, wheels. It can come in tubes, okay? This is like a tube, un tubo, a tube, okay? It can be red and it can be black, yeah? It can be either red or black, okay? And remember the pronunciation of licorice, okay? Don't ever forget that it's with an SH at the end. Okay, let's very, very, very quickly review the most important things. What was this here? Marshmallow, very good. And one more. What was this? The candy bar, perfect. I'm really happy with your progress. Remember to keep on studying, and I'll see you next time. Bye.